Hi, good evening, friends. Today I have another update with regards to Bajaj Finance or Bajaj Finserv. It has set up a stock split of 2 is to 1 and a bonus issue of 4 is to 1. Uh, okay, 1 minute. We'll just quickly have a look and see. Yes, so following this split, the company has declared a 4 to 1 bonus, meaning shareholders will receive 4 additional shares for every one share held post split. Okay, so the shares will split first and then there would be bonus shares that would be issued. While these actions will increase the number of outstanding shares substantially, they will not overall affect the value of the shareholders' investments. The company will first carry out a stock split, which were equity share of rupees 2 value would be split into equity shares of rupees 1 each. For example, if you hold one share with face value of 2, you will now hold 2 shares after the split with 1 rupee each face value. While the total investment value remains same, the number of shares double and the face value per unit is half, or will become half. After the stock split, the company will issue a bonus in the ratio of 4 is to 1 on the 1 rupee face value. This means that the shareholders would receive 4 bonus shares for every 1 share held. For example, if you originally had 1 share of rupees 2, after the split, you have now 2 shares of rupees 1 each. On these 2 split shares, you will receive bonus of 8 shares. So in total, you will end up with 10 shares, 2 original post split and 8 bonus shares. Bajaj Finance Limited, headquartered in Pune, is one of India's leading non-banking financial companies and a key subsidiary of Bajaj Finserv. Originally incorporated in 1987 as Bajaj Auto Finance, the company has evolved into a diversified financial services provider offering a broad range of products including consumer finance, SME lending, commercial lending, and wealth management. We'll look at the financials after the following slides. We'll quickly go through a disclaimer. Sorry. All investment opinions and recommendations mentioned are solely those of the respective experts, broking houses, and rating agencies. These do not reflect any personal opinion or advice. Stock market investments carry inherent risk of financial loss. Investors must exercise their own judgment and conduct proper due diligence. The author bears no responsibility for any losses resulting from the decisions based on this article. It is strongly recommended to consult a financial qualified advisor or a broker before making any investment decisions. This is the logo of the company for your reference. In the last 1 month, the company has given a return of 1.65%, selling trading at 9,340 rupees. Overall, the last 6 months, 30% return given by the company. Over the last 1 year, 27% net return overall. So, over the last 6 months, the company has done well. Whatever correction that you saw in the stock may have been covered by the performance done in the last 6 months. So, Bajaj, we've been through this. Market cap of 5,80,000 crores, high of 9,788, stock to price earnings of 35, which is slightly high, book value of 1,556. So the stock is trading at about 6 times its book value, which is also pretty high. Return on capital employed is just 11%. Return on equity is 19%. Face value is 1 rupee. Company has delivered good profit growth of 26% over the last 5 years. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 18%. Company has median sales growth of 31% in the last 10 years. Company has low interest coverage ratio. Revenue over the last 3 quarters, you can see each quarter there has been an increase in revenue, which is a good positive sign. Net profit has been also growing quarter on quarter, which again is a positive sign for the investors and the performance of the company. Then net profit year on year from 11,500 crores it went up to 14,451 crores, and in the last 12 months it has grown by another 2,300 crores, which suggests that 10 to 12% net profit growth has been there. And on average, you can see almost 45% net profit growth in the last 2 years, which is again a very good sign. You can see overall 33% profit growth in the last 3 years. Last 1 year, 15%. Stock price growth of 27% in the last 1 year. Sales growth of also 27% in the last 1 year. Return on equity of 19% has been the lowest in the last 10 years, and on average it has been about 20% in the last 10 years. Last 3 years, overall average of 21%. Yeah, 20,000 crore reserve increase, which is a very good sign. Around 68,000 crores borrowings have increased. Again, this is a company dealing in financial products and services, so borrowings and liabilities may increase from time to time. However, if the company is able to get good returns on the borrowings and able to make profit out of it, then increase in borrowings would mean again higher asset value investments that have been made. So uh, overall asset have also grown. So again, that shows that yes, there is value add based on the borrowings as well. So it's overall good sign. Shareholding pattern for the promoters is 54.7. Foreign institutional investors have been consistent around 21%. Direct institutional investors have been consistent about 15%, which again is good. Public holding has slightly decreased and it's standing at about 8.85%, which again is a very good amount, considering it would lead to less volatility in price, and it would also be less volatile in terms of volume. However, keep in mind that a major chunk of financial institutions, foreign institutions, are holding 21% of the stake in the company. So uh, if they tend to sell their stake, it could create volatility in terms of price, which would mean that either the direct institutional investors would have to step up in investments, or if that is purchased by the public, then there is a high chance of uh, volatility in terms of price and in volume as well. So friends, thank you for watching the video. Please share this video with your friends, family and associates who will benefit from this information. Please share your valuable feedback in terms of content and the presentation of the video. If you would like any changes, please do let me know so we can incorporate those changes and make the overall presentation more better and more value added for you all. Thank you. Thank you for watching once again. We'll connect with you with another video very soon. Wish you a happy week in advance.